you want to see amazing things too, hop in for a ride down the road just for you. If someone needs help, then I'll be right there. Pick the magical truck. Pick the magical truck.
Hello, Pik.
Hi, Jet. The wise tree's calling. Something happened.
Greetings, Pik. Something has happened in the forest. I need your help.
What happened? Is there a problem in the woods?
Young man, it's rude to interrupt. So, where did I leave off?
So, you're talking about what happened.
Oh, right. Something has happened in the forest. The owl has lost her egg.
On my way.
Pik, wait. I didn't even tell you where the owl is.
Don't worry. I'm a cloud. I see everything from above.
Pik, please hurry. You have to find the egg before the baby owl hatches.
No problem. We are professionals after all.
Jet, can you see the owl?
Activating search. Beep, 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 beep. No owl spotted. Maybe this is the wrong forest.
No, it's the right one. Oh, I have it. We have to call for her in owl language.
No way. I'm a cloud, not a bird.
Oh, come on, Jed. I'll do it myself. Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo.
Pik, that's not how you do it. Check this out.
Hoo,
Hoo, hoo, hoo, hoo, hoo, hoo, hoo, hoo, hoo. What happened? What happened? My egg! My egg!
Calm down, Owl. We are here to help you find your egg.
Jed is on the case. Now.
Owl, where exactly is your nest?
It's here, and this is where my egg disappeared from.
Okay. If it fell down from above, it must have rolled down the hill. I have an idea. If we roll something round down there, we can see where the egg is. Kids, let's take a look into my toolbox. What should we use? A ladder, a hammer, or a ball?
A ball!
Oh, here's the ball.
Whoa!
He's crazy. And here's the lost egg.
Oh, thank you! Oh, no! I can't get it up into my nest!
Let me handle it. Oops. Ugh.
Let me try, Jed.
Well, good luck.
It's time for me to transform. But what should I turn into to solve the problem? A train, a helicopter, or a ship?
A helicopter!
Pik, I'm starting to transform.
Oh, thank you so much! My egg is back in its nest! Oh! Beep, 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 beep.
Pik, I have to say, using a ball was a great idea. Ha! You two are a super team.
Hey, kids, in every one of my adventures, there's a little wrench hidden somewhere. Be on the lookout for it and see if you can find it. Goodbye.